Nice. Max, you've got lots of toys. You can share them with Morris. Round and round, round and round. We just leave them for a while. Together. Let's give it a try. We have work to do. Round and round. Round and round. This is going to be a big banner. Well, we want everyone to see it. Mine. There. Now we can get
He's just trying to play with Ferlin.
I have an idea. Instead of writing words,
He's going to bark at him.
it's a funny cat with a giant picnic. That's a great idea, Ruby.
Get him, Funny.
Brother.
He's afraid of him.
Look at his ears flying all over the place.
They need a little house.
Smack him, Ferlin.
Having fun, Morris? Morris really likes your rock commercial truck, Matt. Why don't you let him take a turn while you think something else? Here, Matt. You can play with your Rescue Ranger commercial truck. There are enough toys for people to play with.
Sonny, tackle him. He doesn't have any front claws, so.
I think we're getting the idea.
Get him, Sonny.
Let's get back to our dinner.
Get him, Sonny. Sonny, tackle him.
I think Funny's afraid of him.
He's it.
Get him, Sonny.
Funny, get him.
Get him.
Get the kitty.
His tail's not wagging anymore. He doesn't look.
Yeah, it is.
Does it? Aw, Ferlin, quit, Sonny. Look,